Hi guys. So today we talk about RESTful API which follows the REST architecture, then it is called REST API. So in the next slide, we talk in details about REST architecture. Now I am moving to next point. A RESTful API is an application programming interface that uses HTTP requests to access and use data. The data can be used to get, put, post, and delete data types. A RESTful API is an intermediate application programming interface that enables two applications to communicate with each other over HTTP protocol. So what is the meaning of point, second and third? The data can be exchanged between consumer and provider over HTTP protocol by using the methods get, put, post and delete. Moving to next slide. Now we talk about uh, we understand the REST architecture. What is the REST architecture? So REST stands for representational state transfer. So let's understand the meaning of each word in the REST. So state means data. Representational means formats such as like XML, JSON, YAML, HTTP, etc. So transfer. So transfer means carry the data between consumer and provider using HTTP protocol methods. So if you want to tell clear definition about REST architecture, so the data can be exchanged between consumer and provider by HTTP protocol and methods in the format of XML, JSON, YAML, HTTP, and etc. Features of REST. So features of REST: uniform interface, representations, caching, stateless. Uniform interface: a logical URI system which uniforms ways to fetch and manipulate provider data using methods like get, put, post, delete. So in real time world, any API, any kind of API will be exposed by the URL. That URL has been included, URI as well. URI is nothing but a uniform resource indicator. So it represents service information. So with the URI, so we can fetch and manipulate provider data using the methods like get, put, post, and delete. The next one is representation. Representation is already we talked about representation like the RESTful message formats like JSON, XML, YAML, HTML. So but here in the representation in the RESTful API, so the SOAP will not support it. So it does not support SOAP. So keep it in mind. So usually the format supports like mainly XML, JSON, HTML, YAML. The next one is caching. The caching is something like we can store the resource in runtime and we can reuse them. So by configuring the cache configurations, so we can configure the cache data for some time, like we can give some period of time to store the data to reuse them in the runtime. Like you can store the data in for a minutes, hours or days. You can store and so you can reuse them in runtime. The next one is stateless. A stateless nothing but so when the exchange the data between a consumer and provider. So either it's request consumer data or provider data, so will not be stored or it will not be maintained. So we don't maintain and store whether consumer data and provider data. So that's the meaning of stateless. So due to this stateless, this REST API is very scalable, reliable, and security. So thanks for watching this video. Thank you.